Whoa, steady!
Well, you tell me, is this the best 1400 pound S Bandit 600 out there? Let's walk around, have a look. No, it's not the bike of Top Gun. There's nowhere near like the bike of Top Gun, so stop thinking that. Even though I'm just as cool as Tom Cruise. Nah, don't think so. So, aftermarket exhaust, belly pan, brake levers, probably a couple other things. But we'll have a walk around and have a look, you tell me. Nasty. It's like a Band-Aid on the scratch. Fairly low miles. Consider it's 1998 aftermarket seat. Look at that for a plate. It's the original and all. NRG. It's freezing cold. Not that it matters. Should just start anyway. I don't know why people do that sometimes. Well, I do when they're trying to sell the bike, but I'm not trying to prove anything here. Turning the fuel on always helps. It's got a manual choke. Helps if I turn the key. There we go. Cut back to when it's warmed up. There we go, that's warmed up. What do you reckon? Do you reckon that sounds rough? Should give the little GR motorway exhaust a little rev. I have took the baffles out there. So I think that's enough. Don't want to piss the neighbours off. Out for a spin. Take it down the coast, you reckon? I probably won't be able to do much commentary, but I might put some comments or whatever. You know what I'm saying. I'll record over it and you'll hear me talking about crap. I'll try and only put the Ari parts on because things can get boring. I might even put some upbeat music on. Who knows? We'll see. So you can see, just leaving the house here. As you can see, I really wanted to open up here, but I couldn't. Too many cars. So just getting down the coast here now. Lovely scenic view. What do you think? Just a bit too busy there today. Look how much bloody people there is. Buses, cars. Took ages to get through that. Obviously just skip this part if you want. It's pretty boring. Just see people walking. We don't want to see them people walking, we want to see people on bikes. Priory Castle. GoPro isn't giving the view any justice here. People in cars, as it's everywhere. Literally just people everywhere. Am I being too nice here and just letting people past? Sometimes it's better to be nice than run people over, because they were just carrying on walking anyway. And I didn't want to scare the little dog. Big dog. Woohoo. More people, lots and lots of people. I mean, I don't blame them, honestly. Right, I think we'll head down to Fish Quay now. It's just down this bank. Very busy again. Definitely don't want whiskey throttle at this point, or it's bye bye bike and bye bye me. Just thought I'd grab some shots of the bike here.
I'm going in now.
Bye bye Fish Quay. Bye bye. Ooh, big boat. Let's go see the big boat. Right, I've had enough now. Time to head home. I heard the wife has smoked some kipper. Yep, it's definitely smoked kipper. I can smell that kipper. You're gonna have to tell us what your thoughts are on this bike, because I don't really know. It's the first Bandit I've ever had. It's a S600. It's not a naked one, being modified to hell. I've rode it down the coast, as you've seen. Very nice day, bit sweaty. Yes, it's a bit wet. Tell you what though, after 6,000 revs, it gets a bit angry, very angry. It gets a bit like, woohoo, woohoo. Anyway, I'm happy with it. Whether you're happy with it, I don't know. It's got like a year's MOT as well. I'm happy with that. 7 owners, very low for the age of the bike. 30 years old. Anyway, expect to see a bit more because I need to improve on my camera, going down on the wherever I'm going to go recording, and I need to be able to talk as well at the same time. And I hate that wind noise. I just want to hear pure exhaust, and I'm pretty sure you do as well, not just the whining of the engine. So on that note, I'll see you next week.